Hi! Today we are going to see about the plant Sedum Angelina, the yellow sedum or the golden sedum. This sedum, it is well known for its brilliant golden yellow foliage. Sedum Angelina, it is usually referred as a stone crop. Stone crop, it is that it can grow in rocky or gravelly places. The golden needle-like foliage. The foliage, it depends on how much sun it is exposed to. So when it lacks sunlight, you can see that the leaves will turn green color. I'll show you a leaf so you can see that. So this is due to the lack of sunlight. And when it doesn't get enough sunlight, the whole plant will turn green color and it will be difficult for the plant to regain its color. This plant, this sedum, it bears a tiny star-shaped yellow flower. So this has a beautiful star-shaped yellow flower and it occurs in the mid of summer. So summer has started and we can see the flowers coming out. This plant, it can spread around 3 feet long. So it creates a mat-like structure and it grows around 6-inch tall. So I'm going to show how to prepare soil. So here I'm just going to use a mixture of cocopeat and garden soil. So cocopeat, why I'm using is that it is directly exposed to sunlight, so it can easily lose its moisture, and also you can see the roots are shallow roots. So when you are a beginner on the succulent, for this roots to easily penetrate, you can use cocopeat, and also it requires a daily watering in the initial stage. So now I'm just taking a well drainage pot and I'm just going to fill the pot with the soil mixture. So also this plant requires less nutrition. This doesn't need more nutritions. So I'm just using these two mixture for this plant. You can also use gravels for making your soil. So now I'm just going to prepare this mixture, and also as I told you, this plant requires at the initial stages it requires a regular watering. So this plant I'm just going to take some stems from the healthy grown plant, 4 to 5 stems, and just I'm going to pot it. So this plant, it is propagated by using its stem. So see that you choose a healthy plant, and around 4 to 5, 3 to 5 branches, if you place it, you will get a good quantity. When it is growing, you will get in a good quantity. So I'm just going to carefully remove the stem and the foliage which is at the bottom, the leaves, the tiny ones, right? So just remove that tiny ones so that the stem touches the soil. So I'm just going to remove 4 to 5 such things, and I'm just going to pot it. So do it a little slowly so that your stem doesn't get hurted. So my soil is ready. I'm just going to make 4 to 5 branches. I'm going to take it together and I'm just going to pot it. So just 5 branches will increase the quantity. So I'm just going to pot it. So be very careful while watering this plant. As I told you, at the very initial stages, a regular watering is needed. You can see that the leaves are very thin, right? So also the roots, till the roots develop and it is suited to your climate, water it frequently. And if it is very hot, there is chance for the plants to burn also. So around it can maintain around 40 degrees. So apart from that, you can keep it in warm places so that it maintains its color. And also be very careful while watering this plant. A regular watering is required, but only a certain amount because this plant can easily rot. So water it frequently, but see that the soil is dry enough for the next watering, because you are also adding cocopeat with it. So hope you like our video. Please do subscribe our channel. Happy gardening. Thank you so much.